Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm doing a totally different video than Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. That's me. But here's my thing that I'm going to be talking about. So, I recently watched a video of Casey Neistat. I'm sorry, I really don't know how to say her name properly. I'm horrible with last names. But I saw him talk to Robert, who is one of the top guys in YouTube. And he asked a bunch of questions that were good questions, but he missed out some of the questions. So I'm going to be asking questions for YouTube because really I feel that there are a lot of things that aren't being done in YouTube for small creators like me. So here's the first question I have. Will I ever be on the trending list? Now, I'm asking you this because one of the other questions is I have 12,000 views on some of my videos, but I have a small subscriber base of fans and I'm never on the trending list. Why is that? Is it because the factor of that I got views, but I don't have enough subscribers, or is it because you want more views than subscribers because the factor is that the more views you get, the more money you make? I really don't know what your reason is for it, but I would love to know why I'm never on the trending list when I have 12,000 views on some of my videos. It's really a shame that you don't ever do that for small creators like me, who are putting in the time and effort to put videos in, but not getting anywhere on the trending list. My next question is, okay, let's see. You say that the more money we make, the more money you make, in the sense that the more views we have, the more money you make. But my opinion for that is it's an idea. It's an idea, and I think it's a pretty good idea that can really work. And my idea is that if you help people who are smaller, okay, in the small creator realm of everything, as in me and other people out there, that if you help us get on the trending list, as in you show our videos on the trending list, more people will be able to find us. More people will get to know us. More people will be able to watch our videos, which in that aspect will make you more money, which will make us more money, because the more people watch our videos, the more money I make and everyone else makes and you make. So if you put us on the trending list more, we will be able to actually get more views, more subscribers than just people watching all the big time players, as I call them, who are like Jake Paul, Logan Paul, Casey Neistat, Roman Atwood, people like that. You see, you put them ahead of the small creators when I understand that you do that because you're making more money from them, but if you give a chance to the small creators like me and everyone else who are small, we will be able to get found like everyone else, and we will bring you more money too. So you have to sometimes, or in my case, as I feel, you should put us on the trending list so that we can get found and known to everyone else. Okay, so the next question is, why do you let people who do stupid videos of them getting kicked out of stores like Walmart or Target or even malls, you allow them to post these videos that they're getting kicked out? It's like you're more or less saying that it's okay for them to do something that is not right, because you don't go into a mall and you go diving into the water, into the fountain there. I mean, you literally don't. It doesn't matter if you're paying someone $10,000, $1 million to jump into the fountain. You don't do that because it's against the rules. It's against the policy of the mall. Okay, or even jumping into a thing of balls that are at the store. You don't go climb up the shelves and then you jump through the balls just to get views. I mean, really, I think you're a little more relaxed when it comes to, I think YouTube, you're a little more relaxed when it comes to what is right and what is wrong. And I'm not saying that you're always going to be right and you're always going to be wrong, but you know, the factor is that for someone like me who puts cooking videos out there, am I doing anything wrong there? Why should I get, as in the answer, flagged with your little yellow symbol that says I am not getting any money from it when it's a cooking show? I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not trying to be stupid. I'm not trying to be an idiot. I'm just trying to bring out good cooking tips, cooking videos for you guys to see, for everyone to see. And I'm still not on the trending list. But the factor is that I feel that you should be able to show a little bit more, like in the sense of that you should not be so relaxed in what people put on there, because if people are going to be stupid and get themselves kicked out of a store or a mall, like, you're going to get other little kids wanting to do that too, and it's not appropriate. It really isn't. Now, the next question is, well, that's mostly it, actually. That's mostly it. That's just how I feel that some of the questions that weren't asked by Casey that I asked, because I'm a small YouTube creator in any realm. I don't get 1,000 views. I get very little. I get about 20 views if lucky, and sometimes I hit the jackpot and I get 12,000 views. But in the end result, do I really actually get on the trending list? Do I actually get known in the YouTube world? No, because I am too small. I feel that you should give a chance to all the small-time creators. If people are posting videos every day and trying to become a big-time player, and they're doing the work and they're making the effort, you should show them a little bit more. But if you got like small-time players who are, or the small-time creators, excuse me, that are just putting videos there for stupid reasons and that aren't really making an effort, I mean, by all means, go ahead and kick them off. By all means, demonetize them. Do whatever you have to. But for someone like me who puts in the effort, the time, and really puts in the money, because it's like I have to buy stuff for my YouTube channel to be able to get it to grow, as in I have to buy more cooking supplies that I can't afford. But the factor is that if you put me in the trending list, or at least put me in the search results when people look up for some of my videos, then it would help me to get more views and more subscribers, which in the end result will get you more more money. To be honest, more money, because if you're making money from me, I'm giving you money. So the more you help me, the more I help you, and it goes around the world and it continues, and it's a continuous thing. So the more you help small-time creators, instead of just focusing on the big-time creators because they're making you a big chunk of change, you should be still working with the big time players, but you don't need to babysit them as much, as in we're going to get your video out, your video out. You need to babysit the small time creators that are trying their best to get known in the YouTube world and aren't really doing well because you don't help us enough. You don't give us what we need. So that is my questionnaire for YouTube, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, like it, do whatever you have to. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias, and all small-time creators. Also, subscribe below. Please click the subscribe button below, the little red button with the little bell next to it, so you can get my notification every time I upload a new video, which is daily at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And also remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz and Jay Squad. And also remember, keep calm and cook on.